Ryan.
You.
What are we doing today?
Revealing the Mazda.
You did a whole bunch of stuff?
Yep.
Cool.
Looks completely different from the last time anyone has seen it.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Yo, that looks awesome. You got the splitters on there too?
Yeah.
And the tinted tail lights. That is awesome.
Yep, got the rear bumper extensions.
Yeah, right?
Side skirt extensions.
What?
And then
So
that
that's
front
actually... Yeah. Yo. Great. Got the painted internals.
Yeah. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we'll try.
Front splitter.
The demon eyes.
Yo! That is evil.
You can see it?
You can just barely see that they're on right now from the light. But you got the painted interiors going on. Got demon eyes. New front splitter. This is clean. This is so awesome.
I love it.
Close this. And look at the paint. That is so nice. New splitters on there. Someone was complaining about this car being too low. And yeah. I told him. Cool, man.
Sounds like outside of the garage.
Yeah, definitely. It's all warmed up. All right, go ahead. Cool. Sounds nice, man. Keep going.
What?
Oh wait, you can't yet. We gotta tune it still.
Yeah.
Are we gonna tune it today?
Yep.
Sweet, that's what we're doing today.
That's the next thing after this.
Yeah, the next thing.
Yep.
So make sure to tune in next week for the tuning of this car. And if you made it this far, you like the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe to the show with all your friends. Definitely come down to H2Oi in Ocean City, Maryland to hang out with us. We will have the Mazdaspeed Protege5 tuned. We're gonna have the G35. We're gonna have a Mazdaspeed 3 fully built. WRX is all over the place. It's gonna be a great time, so make sure you're down there to party with us.
Yep.
And not in AC. Yeah.
Ocean City's where it's at.
Ocean City's where it's at. Awesome way. Woo! Cool. Let's see what we got going on.
Oh yeah, more surprises that no one's really seen over here.
That's like what I was gonna say. This color is the same as that red suit.
Yo.
Tucked all the headlight wires so they don't look as messy in there.
Yo, this looks so clean. Woo, ah. Got a new intercooler going. Oh my gosh. Got a new intercooler going on. It's blinding the camera. Got our quarter down here. We installed it up here. Actually, this whole thing, we installed it up here. Check this video out. And I can't wait till everyone comes down to H2Oi to check this out, which means we need to make it there, which means we need to tune this.
Yep.
All right, so we will show how to tune this car in our next episode, because I'm not gonna have enough time to edit this episode before H2Oi for real.
Yep.
Okay, well, no worries. We will have this car at H2Oi fully tuned.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video. So we'll see you next time. Not quite stock anymore, so
Yeah.
about as far as I can go without having to do internals.
Yeah, you're 100% right there.
Yeah.